Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 39. Electrons always occupy the lowest empty energy level is a statement of A. Aufbau's principle, B. Hund's rule, C. Pauli exclusion principle, D. the periodic law. So we have four laws or four principles amongst the options, and three of them, A, B, and C, are rules that or principles that govern electron filling into orbitals. Now, while the fourth one, which is the periodic law, is a law that has to do with the periodic table of elements. So let's look at what each of the law stands for. Now, option A, which is Aufbau's principle, states that electrons enter into orbitals starting at the lowest energy level before filling higher energy level. Now, option B, which is the Hund's rule, states that electrons occupy degenerate orbitals singly before pairing. Option C, Pauli's exclusion principle, states that two electrons in the same atomic orbital cannot have the same values for all four quantum numbers. And option D, which is the periodic law, states that the properties of elements are a periodic function of its atomic number. So from the rules and principles and law we have stated, option A, which is Aufbau's principle, explicitly stated that electrons will first enter into orbitals starting with the orbitals of the lowest energy level before filling higher ones. And our question says electrons always occupy what? The lowest empty energy level. So that statement is contained in Aufbau's principle. So option A, which is Aufbau's principle, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.